What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to beautiful Kota Kinabalu Islands, Malaysia, Borneo, 4K. I'm excited to watch this. We've seen the islands from aerial views before, but I don't think we've reacted to the Kota Kinabalu Islands since we learned that we're going to Kota Kinabalu.
Yes.
So if you haven't heard, in 2022 we are traveling to Kota Kinabalu to meet up with our friend and agent, Swaran. So we're super excited about that. If you live in this area, let us know down in the comments below. We definitely like to meet you when we come out there. But we're super excited to come out here and see all the amazement that is in Kota Kinabalu, because I've seen a lot of pictures and it looks fantastic.
It looks amazing.
So let's go ahead and hop into this. But before we do, if you would like to, go ahead and give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and if you'd like to support us even more, hit that join button.
So let's jump into it.
Let's jump in.
And I will be changing the music to this.
Yes. Have you noticed that their boats are drastically different than the types of boats we use? It looks like a lot of their boats are wooden.
These look like fishing boats, though.
Yeah, no, they do in tourist boats. But they're drastically different because we don't really use wooden boats.
No, I get, well,
Or I don't.
we use fiberglass.
Yeah,
But some of the big boats do use wood still.
really.
Yeah, like I've watched a couple of YouTubers that have bought boats, like used ones, and some of the more like between a sport boat and a yacht, the ones that are like right in between, the really nice ones, they are wood.
Because I know a lot of the boats out on our lake are like the sailboats. A lot of them are wood.
Yeah.
But just regular fishing boats or
Well, those are all fiberglass.
Yeah.
I want a carbon fiber one.
Yeah.
See, that one's fiberglass, I think. Or is it wooden?
It looked like it was fiberglass. That top looks wood though.
Yeah.
Mids. Rizzy.
Rizzy be dizzy. Who's the other guy?
I can't wait to see that water in person.
I'm going to take a cup of it and drink it.
Look at that, man.
And then get sick.
That is beautiful. We're going to be there.
It's going to be crazy.
Like, that is paradise.
Look at that. I want to, yes.
Oh
That's
my
exactly what I was about to
goodness.
say. I want to see this.
Wow. Sworn, if you're watching this, we definitely need to hit this up. We've got to go scuba diving or snorkeling at least.
I want to scuba dive.
So beautiful.
I want to spearfish. Is that a thing? I mean, I know it's a thing, but I want to go fishing. Is that a thing?
Do people do that?
I don't know how to spearfish. That would be the most pointless thing ever to do.
I would really enjoy to do that, though.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds awesome, but I have a feeling that we would not catch anything.
See, they were snorkeling. That wasn't scuba diving.
Yeah, I agree. Usually those aren't very deep.
I think a lot of their waters
Reefs.
aren't very deep.
I just literally,
The comment?
I literally just read a comment that said it's not very deep. So
That
you
was
don't
the
get a lot-
Philippines. Comment on the Philippines that the water's not very deep, so their sharks aren't very big.
Yeah, so I'm guessing that probably general same concept,
Possibly.
same sea, right? Portion of it.
No,
No, not at all.
I don't think so. Because the Philippines is on the right side, and
That'd be the.
we're going to
east.
be on the correct, but we're going to be on the west side of the continent, or the not the continent.
No, the
but-
east. We'll be on the east side of the
Right, but
Kota Kinabalu is on the Borneo Island.
so is the Philippines above Kota Kinabalu?
It's northeast.
Okay. Then yeah,
Tomatoes.
yeah, tomatoes.
Yeah. We don't know what we're talking about. We're having a conversation of like absolute ignorance.
I want to do that.
This is a glitchy video.
100%. I want to do that.
I'd be down for that.
Swarren, let us know in the comments, and I'll pin your comment, which one of these islands if it shows one of the islands that we're going to be staying at.
Facts.
And I'll pin it in the comment section so you guys can see. That is so gorgeous.
That looks deep as hell.
Yeah, it does.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
And an anemone.
An anemone.
And then bearded
That's
dragon.
dope.
Isn't that a bearded dragon?
No, that's not a bearded dragon.
I don't know I don't know anything about reptiles. I don't even know what a bearded dragon.
Bearded dragons, they get like this big, and they're pets. Like people have them here. That looked like some type of monitor or that wasn't a.
I'll laugh if everybody's like, "That was a bearded dragon."
That was most definitely not a bearded dragon.
I don't know anything about lizards. Trust me. I don't have an issue with them.
Yeah. Not a bearded dragon.
I don't know what a bearded dragon looks like. Does it look like it?
No.
Like not at all?
No.
Let us know what kind of lizard that is.
It looks like some type of monitor.
We're looking at a monitor. We know that's not a monitor. Next thing you're going to say it's a TV.
You're dumb.
I know. I'm being stupid now.
That was a good video. I'm super excited. It didn't really show it only showed
Like just
aerial view of like
water.
one island, so that it's probably not the island.
Probably not.
Cause
Odds are.
So Warren said we were going to be staying on an island overnight, and I see no. I mean, he said that we would be using tents, so makes sense that there wouldn't be like houses. But he also said that we were going to be cooking out and grilling.
Do we have to worry about alligators?
Alligators?
Crocodiles?
No,
Alligators?
definitely not. Monitors.
Bearded lizard.
Bearded dragons.
Bearded dragons, yeah.
Guys, let us know in the comments below if you have any other video suggestions. We need more Malaysian suggestions. We are running out of content quickly.
Yeah, suggested content. Especially.
Suggested content. I mean, we could look up content all day and find it, but we want to watch stuff that you guys want us to watch. So again, down in the description below, there's a link to our Discord. If you'll hop in there, there's a video suggestion box that you can send us videos to. Also, you can throw them down in the comments. It's a little harder for us to go through them in the comments, but it's okay as well. And then again, if you liked this video, give it a like. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, we would truly appreciate it. And if you want to help us out some more, you can press that join button, but don't feel obligated.
And with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.